Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change Flipboard password. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open your Flipboard apps on your phone. And then tap on your profile button at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on your name or tap on add a profile bio. After that, in this page, you will see the update password option and you have to tap on it. After that, you just have to type your existing password. Under it, you have to type your new password. If you're done, tap on Save in the top right of your screen. And your password is updated. So guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.